That's where the growth takes place. Evaluate where you are. Look at it, assess yourself. Assess yourself and assess the situation. What brought you there? What role did you play? All of us are self-made, but only the successful will admit it. If you want to begin to move, you've got to clear your mind of all the unnecessary luggage and baggage that's weighing us down.
I'm telling you from personal experience, I know what my life was like when I put in 55. I know what it was like when I didn't try. I know what my life was like when I didn't care. I know what my life was like when I didn't have any dreams or any goals, like I didn't want anything. I know what my life was like. Now I'm putting in 120, baby. You put in 120. Not only does it affect your life, it affects your family's life. It affects your friend's life. It affects your community's life. Are you hearing what I'm telling you? I'm challenging you. I'm challenging you to get from where you are. I'm challenging you to stop settling. I'm challenging you. I'm challenging you. I'm challenging you to stop accepting the life that was given to you. I'm challenging you to give 120%. Are you hearing me?
Trying is not good enough. Trying is not going to get you there. We need potential. We need application. We need dedication. We need motivation. We need discipline. We need to understand that work must be applied. And even when you don't want to do it, find a way to do it anyway.
I'm coming back, and I'll be stronger and better because of it. You have got to make a declaration that this is what you stand for.
If you are going to win the fight for your future, then you are going to have to master self-compassion. Face the conflict. Embrace rather than avoid challenges. And you don't give up on yourself. Do not give up on yourself. When you find yourself criticizing yourself negatively, comparing yourself to others, try to find inspiration in their successes and strengths instead of feeling threatened.
You're standing up for your dreams. You're standing up for peace of mind. You're standing up for health. You want it, and you're going to go all out to have it.
Everybody gets knocked down. No matter how tough you think you are, you're going to fall. And when you fall, sometimes you fall real hard. But that ground is a hard surface. And I'm going to tell you something. It ain't going to move because you're laying on it. So you need to rise up, and you need to rise above it, and you need to start moving.
Sometimes you have to back up and go within and pray and meditate and recharge your batteries. Go away, clear your head, and then come back and look at it from a different vantage point. Don't operate while you're under the spell or the effect of what's going on.
Stop half doing stuff. Stop putting forth 50% effort, 60%. Look, stop. Do it right or just don't do it at all. Are you hearing me? Do it right.
There's a lot of people walking around today. They have unchecked rage, unchecked aggression, unchecked anxiety, fear, insecurity. You're going to have to care enough about yourself to face it and find a resolve.
You got to find out what's the next things you need to be doing. How are you going to push it to that level and go beyond it? How are you going to maximize your time? How much energy are you going to put into this craft?
Everything you have, everything you are, everything you're doing, like it's 78. And what I need you to do is I need you to look at yourself in the mirror and say, come on, quit, stop playing. I deserve to see what my life would look like if I gave 120%.
Stay dedicated. You got to keep on pushing forward. You got to keep on fighting the good fight. You got to put aside the excuses, because excuses won't lift you up. Excuses won't give you the power that you truly need.
You've got to be willing to go against the tide. You've got to be willing to harness your will and say, in spite of this, I'm in control here. I'm not going to let this get me down. I'm not going to let this destroy me.
And 4 bench players for the Nets also.
When you get knocked down, how long are you going to stay down? When you lose your job, when you lose that loved one, regardless if it's your husband, your wife, your child, whatever it is, do you have the ability to go through the hurt and the pain of that loss? Regardless of what you're going through.
All right. What's up? Hope you guys are having a beautiful morning. Thursday. Almost the end of the fucking week. Almost there. Almost fucking there. How you guys doing, boys? Alright, let's open up these charts right now. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on. Alright, let me change here the boom. What's up, people? Alright, let's see what's going on here with our pairs. Alright. Good morning, Jason. What's good? What's good? What's up, self-made? What's good? What's good? What's good? Hopefully you guys are having a good morning. News at 8:30. Ooh, alright. Got some nuggets. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, let me put some Miss Lofi music in the back. So, boys, have you caught any trade yet, or still holding shit, or not in a trade yet? All right, let's see. All right, so if you guys notice over here, hold up, sorry. All right, that's good. You guys notice over here, we came to this area here of support that we've been retesting for a while now, and we've managed to come under it. All right, 4-hour time frame. This is how it looks like. Right, we were holding it for a while. We were holding it for a couple of for like a day, basically. We were holding it for a day or two. What's going on now is that we actually went right through it. Right, so now where is our next area here of support that we could be looking for? Next area of here of support could be this level over here, where we rejected over here and also over here. Came up here, faked it out, boom, came under, closed above the support, and then boom, flew. So that's a good area here of support that we could be looking for. Right? Let's see. Go here to the 1-hour time frame. Kind of looks like there's a little gambler candle here forming. Alright, can more get up right here. There you go. Basically holding this area here right now. What? Let's see if also we want to come above this area here. Here we got a boom. Right there. Let's see what we want to do in this range here that we've created. Right, for now, you guys notice here on the 30-minute, we came down, boom, retested this area, weak bearish candle, then boom, little nice retracement here to clarify that this is a clean level of support, right? But what ended up happening, price now came down, boom, and is now looking to engulf this previous blue candle that we have over here. So so let's see. Now we should wait to see if we now close under this area over here, or we start rejecting it. Right, that's basically what I will be looking for. Alright, 15-minute time frame. That's basically the same thing, but now here we have the closure on the 15, right? Basically almost engulfed it. Now we have this candle over here. We could either reject this area here of support where we rejected all these times, or we could start trading below it and start closing below. So yeah, let me see. Zoom people, do you guys hear me? Just put something in the chat or just say anything. I think you guys should be able to hear me.
Yeah, we're able to hear you.
All right, beautiful, beautiful. Just want to make sure. All right. So basically, we got to see if this area here is gonna hold. There's 13 minutes here for this candle to close. Someone did tell me there was news at 8:30. Let's check it out. Yeah, 8:30 USD news, orange folder news, final GDP, unemployment claims as well. Alright, so let's see. What direction do you prefer? Well, direction is very tricky right now because we could either use this area here as a rejection point and use it as a support and start going bullish from here, or we could start closing below this area here of support and start going bearish, because overall I do think we are bearish here, right? If you notice, we've been just creating lower lows and lower highs, right? So picking direction right now at this moment is very tricky, but later on we could definitely start getting an idea of where we want to go, depending where these candles close or where they go, right? If it makes sense. Because this candle over here, we have 11 minutes left. You never know if we could start kind of flipping over here, which most likely kind of looks like it does want to flip. But if it closes where it's at, then most likely it could start going bearish, right? Because we couldn't hold this huge engulfing candle, right? If we can't hold an engulfing candle, then that means the bulls are now weak, and bears are not taking over, right? So we gotta wait and find out here. I could say we are a little bit more bearish in a way, but also we've rejected this area very strongly here, so maybe we could see a rejection before we start going down. Let me see something real quick. All right. Okay, now Euro JPY. Let's look at what Euro JPY is doing. I did catch a trade here for Euro JPY yesterday. Wasn't called on signals and wasn't caught live, but I did trade it on the copy trader where I passed people's challenges. Successful trade here. Also took this one here for GBP JPY. It's another dub. Okay, yeah, so Euro JPY, 1 hour time frame. Basically kind of looking the, oh no, this is GBP JPY. I was like, oh shit, it looks the same. Alright. If you could tell, Euro JPY is a little bit more like choppier. We are going up, but we are going up very slowly. We are creating kind of a little channel over here. Right, so are we gonna get some type of push down or some push up today? Not sure. Let's see what goes on here. Alright, gold. What's going on here with gold? Well, we are trading still within this range over here, you guys could tell. Now we start doing if we start closing above these areas over here, it could give you a confirmation that now we are out of the range, and then potentially you could start looking for some buys here on gold. Right, but I wouldn't get in some buys before any of these candles close, because we have been trading this range on and off. You could tell over here, flew, but then came right back into the range. Right. Kind of like the support here better, because it's been holding it cleaner here. Boom, there, I like the support. So yeah, it's US30. So for US30, we did approach here to this resistance level that we have over here. Right, came up here, boom. From here, it was a support, came down, making it a resistance. Right, so now, overall, we could kind of be bearish here on US30, right, and then basically trade this range right over here. Right, so if I want to take sells, basically start looking for candle to at least come to this price over here to start taking some sells. Alright, but candle from here could start kind of coming up here and then start going to the top of the range. So we gotta see what goes on. What's good, Angel? I didn't see you there, bro. Let's see. So 5 minutes, well, 6 minutes left for this 30-minute here to close. Let's see what goes on. $15-minute closes in 5 as well. Are we gonna hold this level of support, or will we crack it as well? It's also very risky to take a sell here because of this level here of support that we have. We did get some reaction at this level here too, and then here as well. So yeah, there, let's see. Four-hour time frame does look very bearish, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I do think we could get some type of rejection, bro, here at this area. Let's go to the daily here. The daily, that daily candle closes in 8 hours. Right, so you never know if this candle just wants to poof, melt, or start flipping from here, start coming up over here. Right, we did get a big push over here on the daily But then here we kind of dive down a little bit here for the sells. Right, and this candle hasn't closed yet. This could be creating a bottom wick here for it to start coming back up. Right. But at the end of the day, we are bearish. So we have to see what will go down here. I do want to wait for some closures. I think it's a little bit more valid. Right, at least to get like some closures below over here and then like a break and retest. Because getting in on sells right now could get you in trouble potentially. Right? Getting in on sells here and then candle here starts flipping. We do have 33 minutes for this 1 hour to close. So I think patience might play here. Let's see. Let's see who's here on the Zoom. Bello, what's good? Bello, what's good? What's good? Eric, what's good? Eric. J Keys, Nick.
Yo.
What's good? What's good, Bello? Tired?
Shoot, who isn't?
Alright, better get that coffee. No, I'm chilling. I had
getting
some.
up slowly.
I woke up like
I
an
got
hour
waking
ago.
up.
Woke up like an hour ago. Went for a little jog. Now we're here. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's a 15-minute here. 15-minute here did reject. This area over here started kind of coming up. Then now, just want to kind of start looking to come here to these areas. We do have 1 minute left. Kind of does look like we want to come back into the range. So let's see. Very risky taking sells here. Very, very, very risky. At the end of the day, this is a level here of support that has been held a couple of times. So yeah. Hero JPY. Still kind of like in that choppy little channel. Nice to see that the 30-minute wants to close here though. Let's see if we start kind of coming under these levels. Alright, 30 minutes closed there. Ooh. Oh, that's right, there is news right now. See if this play here is valid. Alright, now we're back on top of the range. Now it's considered a fake out break. Breakout fake out. Alright, yeah, by the way, this is not in trade idea. Kind of just
Mixed
blending in.
numbers.
What's up? What's up?
I said it's mixed numbers.
What's mixed numbers?
The GDP came out higher, but unemployment.
Oh. Good morning, by
Nothing
the way.
really. Good morning, bro.
Let's see. I do, bro. This could be a little fake out breakout setup. Here.
GJ?
Yeah. What do you think, Eric? You think we're gonna hold this area here of support?
To be honest with you, we're most likely gonna fill that wick.
Fill this.
The left
with-
side.
Oh, okay. This one right here?
Yeah, it's just my opinion. I don't think. Cause remember yesterday how I told you that's like the low.
Oh, yeah, you're
Previous
right.
daily. If that doesn't hold, that means we most likely gonna run it and possibly play around. I mean, think about it. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow, most likely. I mean, we do have the CPI for the yen. That's like the last event. That's like most volatile. Was probably
Yeah.
do some action, but it's like I think it's like an Asian session. Yeah, it's an Asian session later on. So yeah, but I mean, GJ just tough right now. I mean, sells are more preferable in my opinion, just because like we really couldn't hold yesterday. Like
Yeah.
we were very buyers are trying. There's a lot of buying effort, but it's like buyers
are
really gonna hold against all that selling momentum? That's like the real question.
Yeah, that's basically what I'm thinking about. And let's see. Kind of still look here. Oh, it kind of still looks like we want to keep on coming down here on the 1 hour time frame. And we're now flipping over here on the 30. Came back up. Whoever got in sells are here. Impulsively, just because of the closure, they got clapped. Right, so you never want to take like an impulsive trade like that, especially when there's news about to come out. News can fuck you up because the markets are manipulated, right? So you want to kind of just want to be patient and see what happens here. I don't know. Can I scalp my way up here for buys if we get a closure? I don't know. Kind of grab 20 pips and leave. If there's more possibilities for this to go up 20 pips. I want to wait for a closure at least like over here.
If anything, sells look way better if at the flip and put the stop loss above the high, but I don't know how big is that stop loss.
Yeah, I don't know why I think we're gonna reject here. Kind of come up over here at this time, and then like melt after. Take temporary buys that I'm looking for.
If you zoom out, you'll see that we're kind of channeling down.
Yeah. Only thing I don't like is that we have a small like type of rejection here. This might play out right here. I think this might play out here. We have some nice rejection here on the 1 hour.
this could be a good scenario.
Don't want to wait for at least a closure here on the 15. At least the 15. If I get some closures here on the 15, let's see.
I mean, if the price already there, we most likely gonna clear Tuesday's lows. Like we're not even far away from it. We're about, probably say, 50 pips away from it, which is not bad. I mean, it's a nice scalp. But that's, I don't know. I've shared my chart on this one, but that's like the original idea, which most likely we'll see happen.
Yeah, so they kind of like liquidate it, and then boom, start coming up to look for this liquidity.
Because that's basically gonna trigger more buying pressure. Because when you see price clear lows and stuff, especially like on a higher time frame, because that's like a daily low, it usually brings a lot of effort behind. But like I said, I mean, it could buy up from here. I mean, it's gonna do whatever it wants to do. But that's like that. I'll probably say like, not higher probability, but there is a percentage of that possibly happening.
Let's see. If I get some closures over here, and then kind of like a retracement to this area. Thing is that we close in 20 minutes. Let's see what Euro JPY is doing.
These candles are massive.
Yeah, they're pretty big candles. Euro JPY also rejected from this area over here. US 30 is actually coming down here, not wanting to correlate here with any of the JPY pairs. Gold. Oh shit. Look at this, bro. Huge drop here on gold. You catch this? This shit was big. Boom. Big ass 5-minute candle. Nice little closure, breaking retest. Boom. That was clean.
I mean, if price closed on 30-minute above the range, which we've been in, that push becomes irrelevant.
Yeah. 15-minute closes in 3 minutes.
Yeah, gold already pulling back to the range.
This family looks pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. Akazuki here. I have rejection to the bottom side, liquidated. Closure above. Kind of coming to retest this SMA.
If you like what you see, push the button. I've always said that. That's literally what I do. I mean,
The only reason
something
why
I
I
like
have
for
it,
this.
the only reason why I have it is the 1 hour here. I want to wait to see where the fuck this motherfucker wants to close, bro. Cause some part of me says that it wants to kind of close down here. Alright, and if we close down here, then we could go bearish. So that's the only reason why I haven't pushed the button. Yeah, it's very risky, very, very, very risky buys. Because overall we are bearish.
Wow. That's 57 days. GG have been pushing up, got wiped out in 1 day.
When?
I'll be like, if you look at the left side,
Right
like,
here?
yeah, when we've been uptrending.
Yeah, uptrend, and then boom, in 1 day just fucking
got
melted. Yeah.
I would be mad if I was swinging to the buys and I got stopped out in a day.
Facts, dude. Man buying here, and then you're looking for like 1 fucking 75 or some shit, and then boom. 1 year fucking scalp, basically. 1 year fucking day trade.
I would be mad. Imagine holding 57 days. Holy
and you
shit.
get fucking drilled in 1 day. Well, that's kind of how trading works. Kind of gotta understand where to get out here in the markets and when to get in. Because at the end of the day, bro, the markets ain't dumb. They know where people are getting in. So they're gonna come and fuck you up.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure nobody expected that push on Asia session.
Definitely
Everybody
not.
was probably too lit. They ain't even. People checked in on London session. They saw this drop like, what the fuck happened? Oh my god, I saw people panicking. What the fuck happened?
Facts. Probably in a buy position as well too, like ducks.
Bro, whoever was buying like an agent, I know for a fact they got
and they didn't have their
slipped
stops either.
Crazy. Do you have the 3 hour on the time frame on your chart?
Right here. That looks nice.
Zoom out a little bit. Do you see any buying effort?
Well, I do kind of see here that
Obviously on the lower time frame gonna look different,
oh,
but we were looking at it from a 3 hour perspective.
from a 3 hour perspective, I do think that we could kind of reject. I mean, I don't know. I do see short term, like short term meaning I wouldn't fucking get in sells here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I would have never taken a sell here. That would have been pretty stupid.
Yeah.
At least for me. Right, so what does that mean? That means that I would have taken a buy.
Basically, your buys only for now.
I mean, yeah, I guess. Hold up, I'll be right back, Eric.
See your chat. 1 hour. What do you think about the 4 hour on GJ? Let's see. I mean, the 4 hour is just ranging, kind of down channeling on the lower time frame, but the 4 hour is just ranging with like small candles. So, I mean, obviously, if I'm looking for the 4 hour, sells are more preferable, you can say. But I mean, that's the 4 hour. Usually, the trend usually shifts on the lower time frame and on the higher time frame. Starts from the lower time frame. 1 hour gamble candle. Let's see. Need a break above or below previous high candle, higher or low. Are you talking about GJ? Bendo sad. Basically waiting for the breakout. Let's see who's here.
Alright, I'm back.
Do you check comments? Couple thoughts.
On what?
Some people were giving their thoughts on the 1 hour. Somebody said gamble candle.
Oh,
Somebody said
need a break above, below previous 1 hour candle, higher or low. Yeah, I mean, we did get a little break here. If that's what you're talking about, I'm not sure. Need a break above or below previous 1 hour candle. That's kind of like a break above here or break below here.
Yeah, he's playing the breakout.
Like the breakout?
Yeah, he's trying to play the breakout. Somebody said 1 hour gambler candle.
Oh, there is a gambler candle on the 1 hour, basically coming down. But that didn't even play out. That got stopped out already. Because if you got in here at the gambler candle, you would have gotten clapped here. Let me see. You would have been clapped. You see, the buys did play out.
Gold going down, indices going down, dollar stuck in the range.
Oh shit, gold is gone.
There's definitely a lot of liquidity that's been built up on that range. So, I mean, if you're buying, you can easily target those.
Yeah. Oh, look, boom.
What's up, doctor?
What's good? What's good? Good. Who's this?
Yeah, Chris.
Oh, Chris. What's good, Chris? Chilling.
Yep, I'm already on the sell on US 30.
Oh, good shit.
Yeah, because unemployment claims came out higher than expected.
Yeah. You're in cells?
Yeah.
Good shit. From where?
I just got in it at 31,000 no 33,168. I'm about 30 pips in profit right now.
Oh,
30
okay.
points.
Fire. Good shit.
Yeah, I'm doing like a 50, maybe like a 50 pip stop loss. That's it. I don't think it's gonna. I think with that news, last month was at 214,000 unemployment, and then they projected it to be at 221, and it actually came out 216. So, and then finally came back higher, which is still good. It's good supposedly, but
That's just melting.
Yep, and it's not even open market. So imagine when open market happens.
Facts.
I think it's gonna hit. It's gonna cover the that open that it had a couple of days ago. If you look at Tuesday at from 1600 to 1800, it opened a gap of like 80 points. So most likely it's gonna fill that gap up today.
On US 30. Let me see. 32 what?
I'm in at 33. Oh, the mark, it should go down to 32,904.
Oh, 904.
Yeah, 32,904.
Oh, so basically around this area here. Fill this.
Correct.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah. There's a gap because it opened up, it closed, and then it opened up higher, and it never filled up. So, and honestly, when it comes to those things, I always know that it has to go filled up. It has to fill up. So,
yeah,
months or weeks, it fills up one time at some point. Done with this job, my sales job. Fuck.
It fucking be like that.
Is that they laid me off at the end of the year, so it's like I'm not even in the mood to work for them.
Nah, yeah.
I'm just in it just to clock in and out and make my stupid phone calls that no one ever answered.
That's like 80% people don't answer, right?
Are you in anything right now?
No, not right now. Kind of just seeing what the fuck. To see where there's a nice setup here, but I haven't seen one yet. I did see these buys from here, but they're a little risky, bro. But they did play out very nice. want to see if we could hold this area here of support.
Catch the buy.
Yeah, I want to see if it wants to kind of just stay above that shit. Not gonna lie, I do like that setup there on the 30-minute.
That's fair. What are you looking at again? GDP, JPY.
Yeah.
Let me see.
I think I might execute these buys, boys. But I don't think we could come down over here. I think we could just fly from where we're at. If price comes down here to this entry level here, 159.17, I most likely will take the buys. But now you see there it goes.
Yeah, it's going up.
Yeah, it's going up now. It kind of already came to come looking for it here. So the chances are, if it comes down here again, then bro, might as well just melt. Because we already rejected that area right now, and then now it's coming up. But if it doesn't want to go up, then it's gonna come down.
Mm-hmm.
And look at this fucking 1 hour close, bro.
Actually, look at the 1 hour. Damn.
What the fuck is that telling us?
It could be a pullback, and then now it's gonna rip down.
It could be, yeah.
Or it could be a pullback going up, and then isn't that like a doji candle?
Yeah, it's a doji candle. It's a doji, but it's a red doji.
Yeah, I know.
Meaning that
sellers, not much buyers in the market.
Exactly. That's what's tricky. If it was a blue doji, then
it would be going to the upside. It doesn't now.
Exactly, but it's a fucking red doji. So, but either way, this could get wick filled. I have a feeling that this shit could get wick filled right now.
It could.
It looks so wick fillable, if you guys know what I mean.
902.
Yes, look at the 4 hour. Yeah. 4 hour looks like it kind of wick fill here, bro. I think we already did that bullish move here that I was looking for. Kind of liquidate these areas, fly before it goes down. Now it could get ready to go down. Remember I was saying that, Eric? That it could kind of go up before it could go down?
Correct.
It did that now. Now is it gonna like go down or is it gonna keep on going up? I do think that we could start coming down. It would make sense. It would make sense for this to get wick filled. Now let's see how nice the setup looks.
Oh, remember, it's on a down. It's on a bearish.
Yeah, we are bearish as fuck here.
So worst comes to worst, you get stopped out, you just go back into another entry. But at the end of the day, now the momentum is going down. So I would gonna sell like that right there. I would probably do that. But isn't it a good time to hit that one like during that session, during the Asian session?
What's up?
Isn't it good to hit GDP during the Asian?
Yeah, it's mostly Asian and London.
I don't know, because now I'm looking here at the 15-minute, and it could kind of do this move right here. Just like kind of come down here and then kind of wick fill here, boom, come on top and then go down. So kind of just like kind of play with us here. Alright, so what's gonna tell us the execution? Like what's gonna tell us how are we gonna execute? Probably this closure here on the 15-minute could tell us something. Right? Or max at 30. But this move kind of looks like it's playing out right now at the moment.
And it's starting to look like no trade range.
See? That was the move we were looking for at the beginning. Alright, kind of just closure here, come down to this level here. I even have the signal written down here and everything. I was about to send the signal for the buys and then I kind of saw the sells in a way. But I don't know, bro. Taking buys here is very risky as well too. But I think it could play out.
If you're not able to identify a bias, just wait for more confirmation.
Yeah, exactly. That's the reason why I still haven't executed. It could kind of go both ways here. Right, it could kind of tap this SMA here, how it did, and then boom, start flipping from there. So it's kind of just very tricky right now.
Think about the market, they know how to manipulate it right. Fake out a lot of traders. Like you remember, like you could see a wick and out of nowhere you see a price going down. And you can see a wick up to the top side and you might expect price to go down, but it actually goes up.
Kind of starting to look like a no trade range here for real. Yeah, no way. But I also wouldn't really want to take sells here or buys here because
So like the buys when you saw price clear that low.
Yeah.
And you saw that next what time frame you in the 15. You saw that next 15-minute engulf the previous candles.
Yeah. I prefer to buy in the next level.
It gives you 9 out of 10. That gives you 8 out of 10. And your chart reading lets you know that it's not the best momentum. But your chart reading...
I do see this coming down for some fucking reason. I do see this 1 hour candle here coming like down here. That's something I'll tell you. I don't see this coming up. see what Euro JPY is doing. Euro JPY, oh my god, Euro JPY sucks. At least sucks in my eyes. Or maybe I don't have my
Yeah, it
levels.
sucks in everybody's eyes.
Let me see. 'Cause maybe if I kind of refresh it, maybe it looks a little better.
You have executed a profitable trade. Now, you're not going to get better in...
Damn, someone's cheating on me like that? That's so
Somebody
funny.
watching.
That's so funny they did that. Nah, but I used to do that shit too, bro. I used to do that shit too. Getting a lot of people's opinions on the market. He's live right now. Roger's live.
I don't think so. Let me
Oh.
check. Right up, Alex. No, he's not live.
Oh, he's up. Oh. Good shit. Then he's studying. Then good shit. I remember I used to sit down, eat, and I'll watch Roger. I watch a lot of like Forex traders, a lot of Forex videos, technical analysis videos.
Today's your last day going live.
What?
Today's your last day going live.
No, I'm going live tomorrow too. Wait, let me see. Tomorrow's the 23rd. Yeah, I'll go live tomorrow too. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna be going live every fucking day. Every fucking day.
Very excited for next year to bring all the
Yes.
experience I learned this year.
Hell
See,
yeah.
just think about it. Like every year, there's some sort of experience you learn. Like I learned a lot this year.
Hello, bro. This year was my year.
I feel like this year was the easiest year in my opinion to make money in the market. It's just my opinion. Just because how volatile it is and stuff, and a lot of news events.
Bro, I made fucking bread. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This year,
Like, bro, to be honest with you, I don't think you ever see DJ drop 600 pips again in a day. It's very less likely to happen again.
Facts. I remember the beginning of the year, January. I was like, bro, I manifested that shit. So me and my family, we tend to kind of eat grapes, like when it's like about to be like 12, like for New Year's, right? I don't know if you guys do that shit too. Like we eat like 12 grapes, right? And then each grape, we like make a wish. And I remember like most of my wishes was to be a profitable trader.
Wow.
And then boom, literally like 2 months, 3 months later, I got my fucking payout. And it was like, damn, bro, you can really manifest shit into the fucking, like, you could really manifest shit into reality, bro.
Let me ask you this. When you, like, I don't know, when I got my first payout, to be honest with you, I don't know, it's just, it kind of didn't feel real in a way. You get what I'm saying?
For me, bro, it was like,
it was just weird feeling. I don't know if you're able to actually like relate to what I'm saying. It was just a weird feeling. It's not like I was happy. It's not like I was really sad. It was just like, okay, first step done. What's next? You get what I'm saying?
I was low-key happy, bro. I was, dude, I got my pay. I didn't think.
Bro, I got scared. What you mean? When I got my payout, I got scared to lose it, bro. I was very scared to lose it because it's like I don't want to go back to the same spot, like, you know?
I feel you. The thing is that I got a big payout, but I did I did spend it. I'm not gonna lie. I spend it on a lot of shit. I spend it on like most things that I have right now. Cause at the end of the day, bro, I was just a trader. I didn't have like all these cool things and shit in my room. Like, I don't have none of that shit. I was just a trader. Now that I stream, I kind of have like a bunch of more shit, like a better monitor, and I spend money on that. Also, bro, going out with fucking Dr. Dollar and Parce, going out with Daniel, like, bro, like,
Definitely spending, bro.
it's very expensive. I'm not gonna lie to you. When you surround yourself by
Especially,
people
man.
who have a lot of money, in a way, you're gonna spend a lot of money. I remember, bro.
That's
that,
the goal. You're
that
supposed to
was
be in a
around the time.
circle where you're the broken. That's the goal.
Yeah, I was literally the brokest in the circle. I had money, bro. I got a big ass payout.
No, but obviously, like when you're in a circle,
But these
like, you don't want to be the
motherfuckers,
richest.
yeah, these motherfuckers have way more money than I have. What was I gonna say? Yeah, bro. That was like when I got my payout. That's when I started getting recognized by like Dollar. He already kind of knew who I was and shit, just cause we have like just like friends in common and shit.
Yeah.
But then that's where he started kind of seeing how I was doing with my trading and shit, and then when he saw that I was doing good, boom, I got signed for Freedom Trading, and he started telling me, bro, let's do this shit together. Let's go live. You go live this session. I go live this session.
I remember your first live stream. I was top 10. Your first live stream in Dollar, you caught like 100 pips, shorts. I remember that. I was like a It was like a nice way to introduce yourself
Very
to
nice.
everybody.
It was a very nice, yeah. It was a very nice week. I had like a, what was it? It was like a 14 win streak, some shit like that, like in a row, bro. It was fucking crazy. Like Dollar didn't even believe it, bro. He was like, dude, what the fuck? You hop on this stream, and for 2 weeks you don't lose. That was like that was a big push there. I did start getting a lot of students, a lot of cool shit, bro. I'm happy to have all the students that text me on Instagram. I do have a lot
Bro,
of
that's-
fucking.
that's
I
one thing
have a
about
lot of messages
me,
on
bro,
Instagram,
like-
bro.
Bro, I feel like that's one thing about me. Like, I don't know if that's like how it works or what, but it's like I'm good at trading, right? But I'm not good at teaching people. Like, I'm really not good at teaching people, and I really like. It might sound weird, but kind of hate it in a way teaching people. It's
That's
just
right.
so much like it's so much stress to add. Like, I'm already dealing with enough pressure. I don't really need to add more.
It's
I mean,
tough, bro.
obviously, like there is benefits you can gain off it. Like, obviously you can build your brand and stuff. That's cool, whatever. But I mean, I never see myself like. Obviously, I know people like my friends and stuff. Like, you want me to teach them how to trade and stuff, but I just don't know how to like explain it to. Because there's certain things like you really can't. It's very hard for you
There's
to
things
explain
that
to
you can't
somebody with no
explain.
experience.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
true.
like very hard, bro. Like, and then people, I'm pretty sure you deal with a lot of people complaining, like,
All the time,
like,
bro. All
over-
the time.
oh, well, he lost his trade. Like, I don't want to deal with all that because there's just so much shit to deal with, bro. Like, I really respect Dollar for like going live and shit. Like, I've always told him that, like, respect for like going live and actually like calling trades and stuff. Cause fuck, me in that spot is not easy, bro. Like, same thing with Roger Bank. Roger Bank been doing it for years, bro. Pretty sure he's already used to dealing with a lot of hate.
It's fucking tough, dog. It's very fucking tough because at the end of the day, yes, it's kind of another like pressure to your back when you're going live and you're calling trades and then you're putting trades on someone's Forex account. Like, trading for other
Yeah.
people is also very stressful. But bro, at the end of the day, it's so worth it because it puts you in a fucking test.
Yeah.
Bro, if I could handle this amount of like pressure, what the fuck can I not handle? You know what I mean? What the fuck can
Yeah.
I not handle, bro? I take trades for people. I go live. I send signals, bro. Like, it's kind of like, bro. I always wanted to be a soccer player. I was a soccer player. I was playing soccer for 7 years, and bro, you know how many penalties I've taken, bro? It's kind of like taking a fucking penalty.
Yeah.
Taking a
It's a hit or
trade is
miss.
like it's a hit or miss, bro. It's either you miss and people are gonna fucking hate you, or you make it and people are gonna love you, right?
Yeah.
So that's kind of That's kind of.
But let's be honest, like in a way it is different because like okay, you might be able to actually teach somebody who's like less experienced and explain it to them in like the mindset of oh he just came new trading. Yeah. Other people can't do that, bro. Like I've always said it, not everybody can really teach, even though they can be profitable, But sometimes people are not able to actually teach like somebody who just joined the game. It's just not easy. Like, bro, do you know how many stuff like you have to go through just to explain somebody the beginnings and everything and what not to do? And knowing for a fact they're still gonna do mistakes, obviously. That's how they're gonna learn either way.
The thing is that if you meet the real Giovanni, the real like not Dr. Snipes, like Giovanni.
Like in person type shit?
Yeah. That motherfucker is always trying to teach some shit.
Oh yeah, then that's your personality, I get it.
I'm always trying to educate my boys. I'm always trying to fucking teach shit. So I don't know, I just kind of grew into that shit, just teaching. I'm always trying to like if I find something out, like if I read something or like I see something on YouTube, I always want to tell my boy and explain it to my boy because it's kind of good for me as well because it kind of just sticks to my brain.
Yeah.
So that's kind of how the person I am, bro. I like teaching people. Especially people who have no idea what the fuck trading is. Like, I could, like, cut their time into, like, shorting their time into being profitable, right? If you don't have a mentor, it could take you way fucking longer for you to become profitable. Definitely if you have someone who's teaching you, like, shit not to do, like, it's gonna shorten the amount of time of you being successful at this.
I mean, to be honest with you, bro, when I started, like, I took a lot of courses, and kind of, it was just for free. I mean, it was just like a write-off. I mean, if you pay, like, with your business card and everything, you obviously get the benefits of writing off, self-education. That's sauce for anybody who didn't know that.
Yeah. But actually, for me, bro, I spent so much money on education. I spent money on... First of all, I first started trading with IML. Right, I started trading with them, and I spent over $750, $800 on just like, I think it was 6 months of education from them, because they charge monthly, but like it's a big monthly fee. I was paying like around $200 a month to be in the academy. And I'm not gonna say the academy was a piece of shit because it wasn't, but I think people like me and Dollar and people who kind of just teach here on YouTube, I think it's a better route. Damn, this US30 fucking melted. It's about to get to this liquidities here.
Yeah, that's me. I'm there.
Good shit.
Honestly, you're right. Like, IML taught me the basics because they have a good basics training.
Yeah.
What is a pip? Like, some type of patterns, things, little things here and there. They teach the basics.
They don't really teach you a strategy. They just teach you what Forex is.
Support and resistance. And it just gets, you gotta move your way up. Like, I think I only did like 2 or 3 months probably of IML. And after that, it was just all YouTube, little YouTube there, go into the market by myself and try to figure it out on my own.
That's probably the best teacher, doing it yourself.
Little by little. And then the most I've ever spent was probably Raul's, which my mother bought from me. So she paid for that, and it was what, $1,000 I think it costed.
For what, bro? What the fuck does he sell for $1,000?
Lambo Raul's course.
That shit's $1,000?
Yeah.
Bro, that guy overcharges the fuck out of people, bro. I know how that guy trades, bro. I knew how he traded for free. People are out here spending $1,000. But I mean, I get it, bro. You have everything in front of your face and shit.
Yeah, it's all together. It's all put in the platform. So I literally look at this whole platform. I'm always going through it. Like I was watching yesterday, the day before that, candle and that stick anatomy to kind of figure, because there's some little things I'm trying to figure out, like the candlesticks. Like how can I know what candlestick can I know that's causing it to do a reversal? You know, like trying to figure that stuff out. Because sometimes that can happen with US 30. So
yeah. Damn, look, you guys saw this? It kind of Wickfield. Well, it's about a Wickfield. I knew that was coming. I didn't really see it going bullish from here.
7 minutes to the bull to the bell opens.
Yeah, a lot of people took EU Celsius.
I took EU Celsius last night and it dumped. Good shit.
Pretty sure Emmett and Luca took the EU Celsius.
For real?
Yeah, I wondered.
Damn, I wonder how Emmett is, bro. I haven't talked to him in a while.
Emmett been active. It's just like I spoke to him. He was basically saying like he just trades similar to like Luca's strategy and stuff.
That makes sense.
Which would make sense, like, you know, they're able to actually share pies and stuff.
Yo, gold.
Like obviously, like it's different. Like, you know, for me and you, like Snipes, we trade different.
Yeah.
I mean, you could be one selling. I mean, I could be one waiting for a better floor to buy it from. Yeah. But I mean, you're definitely looking to come down for the Tuesday daily low.
Yeah, look at gold.
Gold?
That unemployment rate came out and it kind of making everything up.
It fucking melted. Wow, this got Wickfields on the 1 hour.
Yeah, I wouldn't even be looking at buys, but shit.
Yeah, not at all.
Yeah, I told you it was sells. Not gonna be buys. Yeah, I would tell you to go in now. Just
you can probably play the 30-minute next candle.
Yeah, like a break and retest. Ooh, yeah, it's nice.
Yeah,
like,
that sounds
like
better
for it
idea.
to come up like up here.
Yeah.
Like there. Like keeping subs here. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go for that. But if we do hit take profit here on this trade here, then I wouldn't really be getting in. Because I'm looking to get out of this area. If price comes down here, then people are already getting out. There's no point of people getting back in. Damn, man, this just sells. I'm not gonna lie though, price action is moving very well right now for my strategy. I did call like 2 or 3 here. Didn't actually take them, but trade idea worked out, bro. And that's what matters. Market has been very choppy for my strategy like the past week. But now I'm glad to see that it's back to normal for my strategy.
Debating whether I should put another position into US 30 before the market opens.
Opens in 3 minutes, right?
Okay. What do you think? Should I put another or should I just leave it?
I don't know, bro. I usually just take 1 trade in 1 day. That's already like 2 trades in 1. But bro, if that shit works out for you, bro, go ahead, bro. I'll never tell you not to do anything because
if it hits my day, I'm gonna hit 264 points. That times the 340 times 30.35, which is $3.50 per point.
So how much would you be risking for one trade idea? For one trade?
Well, right now 30 points. I don't think it's gonna move anything higher than 30 points up.
So, and how much is that? Like, if you hit stop loss, how much do you go negative, like, in your account?
Depends on the contract size.
Oh,
no,
that's
I'm not
how
doing.
It works? Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure he's trading it on the MetaTrader.
Yeah, I'm trading on a MetaTrader.
Yeah.
I'm risking like $115 to make six, almost close to $800.
Oh, okay. No, that's not bad. So
I'm just gonna leave it
128.
Don't wanna over leverage and.
What account size do you have, Chris?
50K.
You should get a bigger account for US30. You would definitely make bank.
Yeah. And my next goal is to do another 50K and do 100, have 100 together.
You can merge it, right? Wait, what property?
Yeah, I'm doing leveled up society. They gave me 85%, 85% payout.
I've been hearing about level up side. How is it?
Bro, I just passed my challenge in like 2 weeks, both challenges.
What broker they work with?
What broker name?
Yeah.
I think they use 8cap.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting.
Yeah, 8cap Global Ltd. Look, 830 just hit. It's gonna melt. It's just gonna melt.
Bro, by the way, guys, if you guys want to get your challenge passed by a bot, I could get that done for you. You could do any 8cap broker, 100% guaranteed, that's a banger, dude. I have one running right now and it's working very fire.
To be honest with you, like if I had to start all over, I'll probably do that.
Yeah.
Because I've lost, bro. Trust me, like top firms you can easily lose over 10K easily without you even noticing it.
Look, guys, I'm in here on sells. I took the sells right here. I do think we're kind of coming into a break and retest here. I do have stops above here, this candle. I do believe we can come here and wick fill this area here. At that moment there, I'll be putting my stops break even and then coming here to 20 pip take profit.
Nice, I'm already up $200.
Yeah.
Oh, you in the sell?
Yes, I'm in on sales right now, Bella.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell on US. Going, let's go. I was looking at the XY, which is the confluence, and the shooting up, and gold is also shooting down, which goes together with US30. They correlate together.
Yes, sir.
So I'm just basically gonna lay back.
So yeah, boys, what I was saying, bro. If you guys want to get funded with a bot, bro, killer bot, bro, 100% guaranteed. It's gonna pass your challenge in 1 or 2 days. Just hit me up on Instagram. Instagram is here on the top. I wouldn't be saying this shit if it wasn't fire. So
Doesn't it matter like what prop firm you choose when it comes to like using EA?
yeah, you can use leveled up society. You can use most 8cap brokers. You can use 8cap brokers are accepting the bot.
Honestly, man, I got it from Jesse, but it's too much money, bro. Way too much money for me dropping on when I know I can pass it myself.
No, yeah, bro. If you think you can pass it yourself, bro, go ahead.
But most people can't, and they blow more than what the fee costs to pass.
Like I think she was charging me like $1,000.
I think that's pretty good. Guaranteed, like with refund.
It's a banger deal, bro.
That's not bad, bro. Because I mean, whoever is passing is still taking the risk.
It's spending $1,500. If I already passed my account twice, why am I gonna,
But this is how
I
I
get
see
you.
it.
Obviously,
This is
like
how I
if you're
see it.
capable, like, but if you're not capable, then you might as well, because you gotta blow more than that.
But okay, all right. What is you passing the challenge gonna do if then when they pass it for you, but then you still
Exactly, but that's the thing. It's kind of like the risk. Whoever wants to actually get their challenge passed, you know. Because think
But
about it.
you're still gonna fail it after. You're still gonna fail it because the point of the challenges is for you to learn and know how to manage a 50K account, 100K account. If you get someone else to pass it and they pass it, great. But then when we're funded, you're gonna lose it in a matter of less than a month.
I mean, you can say there's a higher chance of them blowing the funded account. You can
Of
say that, but
course.
at the same time, what's the difference of somebody doing it by himself, failing, blowing more than like 5, 8K, 10K? Because most people do that. I don't know if you've been knowing that. Most people actually fail and go buy a challenge right away without even learning their mistake or anything. So I mean, if there is a chance where somebody can pass it and you can get a chance for getting a payout, and why not?
I've
But
done
that's the thing. It's kind of like a risk. There's always a risk in everything.
I've done I think 4 to 5 challenges maybe, and I passed 2. So this one and the one I passed previously. I did a
Well, what you gonna
10K.
say, Dr. Snipe?
Oh, what?
What you gonna say? You were gonna say some comment regarding the
I was
passing
gonna say
challenge.
that oh, Torero was asking me here is 100% refund. Yes, it's 100% refund. And what I was gonna say, bro, is that this is how my students kind of look at it, bro.
Bro, but hold on, Dr. Snip. Wait, Chris, you're getting your
Yeah.
money back though if the person blows it.
No. I'm
No,
not saying the
no.
person's gonna blow it. I'm not saying the person's gonna blow it. I
But
know the
like
person
once the person pass it, and I get you.
you
I
know,
mean,
you're
yeah,
gonna be on the funded
there's a
account, you're
higher
gonna get all
chance. Yeah, I
excited,
get you.
and then you're gonna blow it like me. I've done it where I've passed my funded account and then I over leverage or
Yeah.
you know, I want the money right there. I want to become a millionaire so fast that I end up blowing the funded account. So it's like it's not smart for you to have someone else do it when you're not even ready to pass it yourself.
The thing is that, look, bro, Chris, this is how I see it. And bro, yes, that's if you're not ready to trade in general, then don't even buy a prop firm because you're gonna blow it. Right?
That is
But
true.
I do think that there's people who like are ready to kind of get a profit from the market, but it's hard for them to pass the challenge. Thing is that if you let's say you've spent $1,000 on this, right, 1,200 or 1,500, all you gotta do is that you just gotta get 2%. You just gotta be up 2%, right? And then you get your money back. If you get 3%, you gotta pay out. Now you're up $1,000, right? You get what that's kind of how my students go away at it, in a way. I don't know, but everyone's different, bro. If you're not ready to take a challenge, then don't take it at all, right? Or either just keep on trading demo or just keep on. I don't know. That's just kind of how I see it. But yeah, it makes sense. Bro, straight here was fucking. Look at this shit. It happened here, and then it happened here.
But obviously, like that passing challenge scenario goes to like Chris, for your example, like you said, you took 4 challenges, you only passed 2. You get what I'm saying? You know how to trade and everything, but obviously, prop firm, we already know how the rules they have. They're against you. They're not really with you.
Guys, I'm out of this trade. Very fucking choppy here, bro. Sad asked me, did you take the trade on the challenge passing? No, not this trade. I already took a trade on the challenge passing today. I hate
Somebody said
challenges.
read it.
Oh yeah, I hate challenges. I had a challenge passed for me when first 2 years. I still have it. Most people will blow it. I did it so I could take the same trade as others. Um. Oh shit! I kind of lost to where I still have. Most people will blow it. I did so I could take the same trades as others. Is how I learned, and then they give me experience on what y'all were doing. Yeah, bro. A lot of people do it like for different reasons. But bro, if you get 1% from me, you're already like break even. And then what if you get like 5%, 6%, which I'm pretty sure most of you guys can. Here, a lot of people are here taking challenges. A lot of people here taking challenges, and bro, they're getting very close to passing phase 1, but then they get greedy.
Yeah.
Bro, you get 3%, 4% from a live account, and then bro, you made yourself what? 3 racks there, bro. Pretty sure 3 racks for a lot of people is fire, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people here can make fucking 3%, 4%. Especially you day traders.
Bro, for real, the best thing the prop firms did, especially like MFF, was the extensions, because like some month you're just like it's slow and you don't make a fast profit, but when they added those extensions, it like totally changed the game.
Yeah, bro, fuck yeah. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I have one of those. I have one of the bots. I also sell the bots too. If you guys want the fucking bots for yourself, I also do that shit. But if you just want to pass your challenge, bro, 100% fucking guaranteed. Just fucking fire as fuck. I already passed one of the. I have one leveled up society that I passed with the bot. Passed that shit like in 2 days.
I just don't like. I really hate the same thing, Wolf. Like I agree with you. I don't like doing challenge, bro. It's just.
I hate doing challenges, bro.
So much, bro. You can ask anybody who's profitable. You would tell you the same shit. Like,
yeah, fuck
Dollar.
that.
I'm pretty sure Dollar hates doing it manually. Pretty sure you hate doing it manually, Snipes. That shit is not easy because it's just it basically depends on the market condition. You know, you only have 30 days, but like I said, only MFF do the extension. Other platforms they don't do it. So you only have 30 days to work with, and you obviously get to closer to the 30 days, and obviously you start over leveraging. You want to get that count passed before the extension, and so that obviously put more pressure on you. But like I said, I mean, there's just different opinions. I feel like Dr. Snipes said, like you shouldn't be buying prop firms if you're not really experienced. That's just how it goes, you know. If you're experienced and you just don't want to deal with the challenges, that's why the passing challenges are there, you know. So you can kind of skip through that and just go straight to the funded. And like he said, you can make 5%, and that's it. You can stop trading. But what most traders won't do that because they see profit, they want to start risking it, and they go back and draw down. Like if you only waited 30 days, you would have got your money right away.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna lie, that 30-day is done for a reason. Just my opinion. Like there's a reason why they say wait 30 days for your payout. It's just a psychology thing. They understand that most people will just blow it.
That's what happened to me the first time. I had to wait that long that I ended up in 2 weeks or a week. I think I blew my account, my funded account.
Yeah, bro. At the end of the day, it's fucking psychology, bro.
That's why, yeah.
It
now,
is, bro.
Easy right now. Like I was down right now. I'm just brought back my account back up to 50K. The first day I was down 500. Then by the end of the day, brought it back up to 500. Back up. Then the second day lost 1,200, and then now I'm back to almost even right now. So, you know, it's a roller coaster. You know, it's a roller coaster because you're funded, so you want to make as much money as you can. So when you take out that first withdrawal, it's fire. You know what I mean? So,
yeah.
But that's why I'm going to use the news when it comes out next month for the interest rates news and the interest rate hike. That's when I'm going to make mad money that day. I'll probably even throw a 2-lot on that shit and fucking put like wait when it comes out at 8:30. So at 8, see where the market's at. Put 100 points above and 100 points below. Yeah. So if it hits my if it hits my buy, you know, I'll miss those first 100 points, but fuck it. But I'll be guaranteed the next 650.
Yeah.
Same thing with the sell. So. Can't wait till that day, bro. I'm gonna try to cash. I'm gonna try to make at least 20 racks that day for sure.
20 racks.
20
racks is good, bro.
That'll have at least 4 or 5 months with rent, all my bills and all that shit. So.
Oh yeah.
First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go buy my mama a nice Gucci purse. Mom, here's your Gucci purse. Let's go.
Facts. I remember I got my mama. She's always wanted the fucking since we were fucking broke. She's always wanted the fucking Louis Vuitton brown bag, bro. I got a fucking payout. I went shopping. I got myself a bunch of shit. I saw by Louis V. I saw my mom's purse. Boom. I spent $1,300 on that shit.
She must have been so happy.
Hell yeah, bro. She was like, "Damn, bro, you little fucker."
You made.
She believed in me, bro. But she started believing in me when I started doing good, not when I was doing bad.
Well, you know,
literally everybody in life.
Yeah, bro. It is what it is.
Yeah.
my mom has never not believed me. I always told her, I'm like, Mom, the only time I always told her like, oh, I lost, and she knows it. Like, come on, you got this, you can do it. So she knows she's been covering me. She never paid for anything other than that course that I had. That she paid Lambo Rao's course for me.
Yeah.
You know, but other than that, like, I told her again, I'm back at it, and I told her I'm funded. She's like, you were funded before, so you come on, be smart this time. I'm like, gotcha, thank you, Mom.
Oh yeah.
So she knows, she knows how it works, but until she, it's not that she doesn't believe me, but like anyone, until they don't see it happen, it's just a dream. You want to get there. You know what I mean? So you just gotta work on it. And I know a lot of traders say the only time you lose is when you quit. If you quit, if you keep trying and trying, you're not losing. You're just learning and getting better at it. So
facts.
The moment you quit,
yo, I'm at break even with the sell. Did it stop you out?
Oh yeah, stop me up, bro. You holding that shit? Good shit.
Yo, I was holding that shit, bro.
Literally gangster. All right.
I holding that shit. Had to come back, bro. Do I still hold this shit? Or you think you see buy? Because right now I'm break even right now.
Play the wick fill on the Tuesday lows on the daily.
Exactly. Yeah, just hold it, bro. Hold it now. Like it basically went up, stopped me out, and then boom, for the mount. Yeah. I would hold it.
Yeah, hold it.
Boom. Yeah, there it goes.
Now, what you call it? When she was talking about your OG though, that's all a part of the game, man.
Bello knows, bro. Bello was there.
I'm going through it with my OG right now, man. I just can't wait to see the smile on her face, the switch up. It's gonna be real. We'll be like, oh, for real? Oh, how you believe me? Huh?
Facts. Well, Bello, this guy talking around, he's been my boyfriend, bro, since we were little. He's been on the trading game with me. Bro, so yeah, I would hold this shit. Take some out at 20 pips and then hold some at least to like this area here, 158,600.
Got you.
Move my 3,100 to be 60 points in profits. It doesn't get reversal, but
ooh, I'm in profit right now, my boy.
Good shit. Some guy saying here, trading is being selective at the right time. It's a war, a struggle between buyers and sellers. Humans tend to follow. That's why you see trends. If you're on the right side, then you can't lose. Don't get greedy. Trading will teach you a lot of about your soul. Oh yeah, bro. Trading will actually kind of make you as a person in a way too.
It's a lot to do with life because trading is basically gambling, bro. Literally, bro. You need your risk management and gambling. You need your risk management and everything, bro. To be real, bro. Anything that you're doing, anything that you're going into, like, you can't just go into like head first. You feel me? You gotta have a risk management, man. I'm gonna put this much. Like, let's say you're gonna invest in a business. You feel me? You're not gonna put all the money you got unless like you don't have that much money. You feel me? But let's say you have like you're a couple M's up. You feel me? You want to invest to a business, but you're not even so sure about it. But you know there's profit in there, so you go in little by little and you learn like little by little. But you know you have your money to play with too. You're not gonna throw all your money in there. What if the business doesn't make profit and just goes down? You feel me?
Your state of mind.
You got the risk management, though. You feel me? You could lose. You could lose in the business. You feel me? The business will go right, but you still have your whatchamacallit. At least you still have some backhands left over. You feel me? Yeah, I got out the trade though.
Alright, chilling. That's good.
It was scaring me.
If anybody knows how poker is, you will definitely understand trading is definitely similar as poker. If you actually analyze the best poker players and you see how like they play and everything, you'll be able to identify like what's their edge, like how the fuck they found their edge in the table and everything. But Like anybody who played poker before and actually switched to trading, they have a higher probability of winning, of becoming profitable in a short term than somebody who's coming from a 9-to-5 job. Only reason that because just poker players understand it's just a probability and they understand how to manage their risk, which literally is the same as trading.
Bro, for real, if you watch professional poker the whole time,
I
you're
always
playing
do,
out
bro.
the
That shit's very interesting.
Dude, yeah, they always put on the bottom of the screen like this guy has an 80% chance of winning or this guy has a 50% chance of winning.
Holy
that was
shit.
a big breakthrough for me when I started seeing that on the professional poker screen, that they were putting the probabilities out there. I was like, bro, this is the same shit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't know if you guys know
right.
Uncle Ted. Uncle Ted, I don't know if you guys know him. He used to play poker. That guy is a legend in trading.
Dude, I actually don't know how to play poker. Which is funny. Dollar knows how to play, Parsa knows how to play, but I never learned. JP knows how to play.
I do. I play here at my crib. Sometimes I have some games. That's all about probabilities. And, you know, like, what are the probabilities of you getting this card and this play and this, that? And what are the probabilities of them having the cards that you don't want them to have? And this, that.
Yeah.
They're able to read their opponent emotions.
Can tell when.
Which is kind of like trading. Sometimes you're able to read sellers.
Exactly. But we only read it through candles.
But we read it through candles, not through faces.
Exactly.
But this shit.
But I'm telling you, bro, poker is literally like trading. Like if you master that, there's definitely a higher probability of you actually performing good at trading. Obviously, we're not speaking from a technical perspective. We're speaking from like a psychology perspective.
So don't gamble your lives away, boys.
I mean, you need psychology with trading and gambling. If you don't have it, then you're losing all your money.
Boys, look, I'm gonna.
But you got the good lucky shoes on.
I'm actually calling another trade here. This is gonna be my last trade of the week, for sure. Because then if I take a trade today, I'm not taking one tomorrow. But I do think we could come here and Wickfield this on the top. Alright, I am willing to risk that if it comes to this area here. Because here we kind of came bearish, right? Came bearish. Now here we have indecision candle right here, which is also a weak bearish candle. So if we start coming up here, I do believe that we could kind of Wickfield this area over here and keep on trading this range that we have over here. Now if we start bringing these lows over here, then we gotta kind of modify our stops.
Tomorrow CPI comes out.
Jeez. No, but that's like wait, tomorrow what time?
Asian session.
Oh, Asian? Yeah, fuck that. I don't really trade Asian, I just trade New York.
Either way, like, it's already priced in the CPI. I'm not really, when the news come out, it's definitely going to come out higher than forecasted.
I'm talking about CCE, which is the core price index.
Talking about the yen, right?
No, tomorrow. Look at tomorrow's date. Or right.
What currency?
US.
I roasted this morning.
I'm gonna look at December 1st and see what happened that day. If it melted, if that day melted, that means that most likely it's gonna melt tomorrow again. Yep, it melted pretty nasty. December 1st at 9:30. It melted over 400 points.
Damn, this 5 minute though. I think we're gonna come here and liquidate over here. Let's see.
Blue, yeah.
I think volume might be dying down here. But yeah, boys, I think I might actually call it here and then take a trade tomorrow. Let me see. Hold up. Give me a second. Also, yeah, boys. By the way, if you guys actually want to use the bot, I have 2 more spots left here on the bot. So let me know. DM me. My Instagram's up here on top. Dr.SnipesFX. Try not to just use my account, but don't go to anyone else's account. I have a lot of fake accounts. So my real, I'm gonna put it here on the
Just
YouTube.
ask him for voicemail.
Oh yes, and ask me for a voicemail. And bro, don't be stupid and send people money. That is not me. I'm gonna have my Instagram here. Boom, there. That's my Instagram. So yeah, if you guys want to get funded from the bot is actually 100% guaranteed. Just let me know on my Instagram, and then I could hook you up with a seat there. And yeah, boys, I'm gonna call it here a day. I'm gonna start off my day. I'm gonna have some breakfast. Trading week hasn't been the best, but definitely sure next year is gonna be a fucking banger. But yeah, boys, we're gonna cut it here and.
Dale, bro. Take care.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dale, peace out, people.